In today's video, I am going to teach you how to filter rows for blanks in different columns in Excel. This is a quick and practical skill, especially when you are working with tables of data and you need to focus only on records that are missing something in a specific column. By filtering for blanks, you can find gaps right away and make decisions faster. To begin, open your Excel file and locate the area of your worksheet that contains your data. Next, click any cell inside your data range, which in this example is A1 to C4. It does not matter which cell you choose as long as it is within that range. Doing this helps Excel understand which set of rows you want to filter, so the filter options apply to the correct data. Now that a cell inside the range is selected, move your attention to the top of the Excel window. Click the Data tab. The Data tab is where Excel groups tools for sorting, filtering, and working with datasets. After you click Data, look for a section that includes sorting and filtering controls. Once you are on the Data tab, click the Filter button. You may see it as a single button labeled Filter. When you activate this, Excel adds filter drop-down arrows to the headers of your columns. You should be able to look at your column titles in the top row of your data range and notice that each column now has a small drop-down arrow, which is how you will choose what you want to see. Now you are ready to filter by blanks in a particular column. In this instruction set, you will filter column B. Click the filter arrow drop-down in column B. Take a moment here and watch the filter menu appear. This menu gives you options to include or exclude specific types of values, including blanks. After the dropdown is open for column B, you will want to adjust the selection carefully. Uncheck Select All. In most Excel filter menus, Select All is checked by default, meaning Excel is showing everything for that column. Unchecking it clears the previous selection so that only the options you choose will be included. Next, scroll down within the filter list. The reason you scroll is that the option for blanks might not be visible at the top of the list. As you move downward, you should eventually see an option labeled Blanks. This is the option that specifically targets cells that are empty in that column. Once you find blanks, check that option. This tells Excel that you only want rows where the value in column B is blank. It is important to confirm that you are selecting the blanks option for column B, not for another column, since each column filter works independently. After checking blanks, finish the filter by clicking OK. This closes the filter window and applies the changes to your dataset. At this point, Excel will display only the rows from your original range where column B is blank, while still keeping the other columns visible for those filtered rows. If your filtered results look smaller than before, that is expected. Filtering does not delete data. Filter, it just temporarily hides rows that do not meet the criteria. You can always adjust the filter again, clear it, or choose different options from the drop-down if you want to view other types of values. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.